Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about planets. Children, what are planets? How many planets are there in solar system? Children, planets are the large celestial objects which revolve around the sun in closed elliptical orbit paths. Path nothing but orbit, children. Planets revolve around the sun in different elliptical paths called orbits. So paths nothing but orbits. There are 8 planets are there in solar system, children. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets. A planet is made up of rock and metal or gas. Planets do not have their own light, children, so they do not twinkle like the stars. Planets reflect sunlight that is incident on them. Children, we can say that planets are non-luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies means which do not produce light by themselves or by own. They are called as non-luminous bodies. Just they reflect the light which falls on them. Which falls on them. They are called as non-luminous bodies. So planets are the example for non-luminous bodies. All the planets revolving around the sun and also rotate on its axis. Children, there are 2 types of rotations are the children. One is revolution and rotation. Revolution means revolving around the sun. Rotation means what? Revolving on their own axis. It's called rotation. Children, a day for a planet equals to time taken by it to complete one rotation around its own axis. So, to complete one rotation around its own axis, a planet can take 24 hours, children. At the same time, a year for a planet equals to time taken by it to complete one revolution around the sun in its orbit. So 365 days required to planet to complete one revolution around the sun in a specified orbits or paths. Planets. There are 2 main categories of planets according to composition and size are small rocky planets are the terrestrial planets, children. They have solid and rocky surface. Examples Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Gas giant or the Jovian planets, they are very large in size, are made up of largely of gases. Example Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, children. So terrestrial planets, Jovian planets, children. Terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Close to Sun, small masses, rocky solid surfaces, high densities, slow rotation, weak magnetic field, no rings, few moons. And Jovian planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Far from Sun. Large masses and gaseous surface, low densities, fast rotation, strong magnetic field, many rings, many moons. Inner and outer planet, children. Inner planets nothing but a planet whose orbit lies within the asteroid belt is called inner planet. Example for this Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. Outer planets. A planet whose orbit lies outside the asteroid belt is called outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. The outer planets have several moons and a system of rings. Children, here given planets given, just go to the shapes of the planets here. Shape and size of the planets. Children, the smallest to largest planets, children, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn and Jupiter. Revolution and rotation, children. What is called revolution? Period of revolution. The time taken by a planet to complete one full revolution around the sun is called its period of revolution. Period of rotation. The time taken by a planet to rotate a full 360 degrees on its axis is called its period of rotation. Axis of rotation. The axis of rotation is an imaginary line going from North Pole to the South Pole is called axis of rotation. Children, observe here. shape and size of the planets. Let us discuss individually by each and every planet, children. First of all, Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system as well as the closest to the Sun. It takes about 88 Earth days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Mercury is terrestrial planet. Lots of creatures like the Moon, hot during day and cold at night. Mercury has no moon. It is yellowish orange in color. It is called morning or evening star because it is occasionally visible just before sunrise and just after sunrise. Temperature minus 170 degree to 427 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 225 days. It has no moons. Venus rotates from east to west, opposite direction. Terrestrial planet. Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. It is the brightest object seen in the night sky. It is also called shining planet. It is also called morning and evening star because it is usually visible only during these times. It is silver blue in color and is hot planet. In 1 year, 225 Earth days. Temperature 46 degrees Celsius. It appears as morning star in eastern origin and is evening star in western sky. Venus is hotter than Mercury because it has high carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. Next, children, Earth. About Earth is very important, children. Just go through about Earth yourself, read yourself, hold the video and read yourself about Earth and about how life is possible on Earth. Just go through it, children, step by step. Rotation and revolution of Earth, you can go through it. And then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, Neptune. So go through each and every planet in detail by holding the camera. Okay? Moon. About Moon also is important, children. You can go through about Moon. Phase of moons are there. Formation of the phases. Phase of moon and moon's light. And solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Constellation. Ursa Major. Ursa Minor. Orion. Cassiopeia. Other members of solar family. Meteor. Meteorites. Asteroids. Okay, children. Asteroids hitting the Earth. Comet. Natural satellites. Artificial satellites. Indian satellites and others. Okay, geostationary satellite. Geocentury satellites. Okay, black hole. Nebula. The death of the star. Asteroid belt. Stars. Type of stars. Okay, all these things you can watch and neatly can note down the points in your notebook, children. Thank you and have a nice day.